boys and girls. I am Miss Moran, and welcome back to your math lesson. All of this week, remember, we're going to be reviewing our numbers. So we're going to be reviewing identifying the numbers 1 through 10, but also counting objects from 1 to 10. So why is it so important to know or identify our numbers and count items? So this is important because there's numbers all around us. We use numbers every day. We use numbers to add, to subtract, to count how many objects we have. And if we go to the store, we use numbers so that we can count our money and know how much we're going to spend. So this is why it's so important to learn our numbers, identify our numbers, and be able to count objects. So this is what we're going to be doing today. So let's get started. Okay, boys and girls, for today's activity, we're going to be counting the watermelon seeds, and then we're going to identify which number. So whatever number we count here, we're going to identify the number over here. So let's count the seeds. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now, is this 4, yes or no? Is this 4, yes or no? Or is this 4, yes or no? Which one's 4? Top, middle, or bottom? It's going to be the one in the middle, right? Good job. How many watermelon seeds do we have? 1, only 1. So which one is 1? Top, middle, or bottom? It's going to be the top one. Good job. Let's count the watermelon seeds together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which one is 7? Top, middle, or bottom? It's going to be the bottom one. Good job. Count the seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which one is 9? Top, middle, or bottom? It's going to be the bottom one. Okay, let's count the seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which one's 8? Top, middle, or bottom? It's going to be the top one. This is number 8. Count the seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So which one's 6? Top, middle, or bottom? It's going to be the top one. Good job. Let's count the seeds. 1 and 2. Which one is 2? Top, middle, or bottom? Bottom. But before I click on that, what number is this then? What number is that? That's number 4. What number is this? That's number 3. So this is number 2. So this is the answer. Okay, let's count the seats. 1, 2, 3. Which one's number 3? Top, middle, or bottom? 3 is going to be the top one. Good job. But what's this number? That's 4. And this one? That's 6. So our answer is 3 up here. Good job. Let's count the seats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one is going to be 5? Is it the top, the middle, or the bottom? Which one do you think? It's going to be the bottom one. But what is the name of this number? That's number 4. And what's the name of this number? That's number 9. So this is number 5. Good job. Let's count all of the seats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So which one is 10? Is it top, middle, or bottom? It's going to be the top one, correct. But what is the name of this number? That's number 9. And this number, what number is this? That's number 8. This one's number 10. Correct. Okay, so we finished with that activity. So let's go and talk about your homework now. For your homework, we are going to continue working on our All About posters. Yesterday we did 3 and 4, and today we will be doing 5 and 6. So if you haven't gotten your paper, your template that looks like this, go ahead and get it. If you need pencils, go get your pencils. If you need stickers, go get them. You can pause the video. Remember, you can do this with me, or if you rather watch the video first and then do it by yourself, you can do that as well. So let's get started. All about 5. We're working on number 5 today. Okay, that's how we write number 5. And this is how we write number 5. Here says name, so we're going to write how we write it. 5 is an F, I, V, E. That's how you write 5. 5. Okay. In our tally marks, we're number 5. I don't know if you remember when we talked about tally marks. Something special happens when you get to 5. So let's do it together. We're going to do our tally marks. 1 tally, 2, 3, 4. 5 is next. Do you remember what we do when we get to 5? We draw a line this way. Remember that? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. But we also count this one, 5. Those are our tally marks. Okay. And number 5 typically looks like this. This is how it usually looks. 5. Okay. So now we're gonna go to objects and we're gonna do 5 things. So you can either draw 5 circles, 5 happy faces, whatever you want to draw, but it has to be 5. Or if you have stickers, we're gonna put a 5. So I'm gonna put 5. 1, 2. I'm gonna put 1 in the middle and then like 1, 2, 1 in the middle. 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now we're going to our 10 frame and we're gonna draw how many circles? 5, because we're working with 5. Remember, the 10 frame has 10 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But we're only going to draw on 5 of them because our number is 5. So we're going to do 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's going to be all the top squares. Okay, that's number 5. So now let's do number 6. Go ahead and pause it and get your paper if you need to, so you can work with me. Okay. All about number 6. That's what we're going to do, okay? Before I move on, remember, this is what number 6 looks like. It has kind of like a little circle on the bottom. And this is what 9 looks like. Some of you get confused with these numbers. 9 has a circle on top, but 6 has it in the bottom. Okay, so we're not doing 9, we're doing 6. Make sure you're writing it the correct way. Okay, and the name is how we write it. 6 is an S, I, X. That's 6. Now we're moving on to our tally marks. We're going to do 6, but remember what we do on the 5th one. Don't forget. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's the 6 tally marks. What can it look like? Okay, this is typically what number 6 looks like. Either like this, or sometimes it's a little bit more curved. A little bit more curved like this. Both of those are number 6. Okay, for objects, you're gonna draw 6 things or 6 stickers, however you want to do it. So I'm gonna start right here so I can get them all in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. And now we're going to our 10 frame, and we have to draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so we finish our posters. So remember to do this at home. You can either do it with me with the video, or you can do it after the video. But please take a picture of your poster of all about 5 and all about 6 and send it to me. And like I told you before, you can be taping them to the wall of your house, so that way you can reveal your numbers and how they look and how many objects does it have and what does a tally mark look like. All right. I'll see you here tomorrow. We will continue talking about numbers. Bye-bye.